Hey guys, good morning from soggy Mazatlán. Pretty steady, heavy rain this morning. It's about 7:45 on Monday, October 23rd, 2023. And this is the remnants of Hurricane Norma. So we're getting some water now, and we sure can use the rain, there's no doubt about it. My house is staying dry, cats are all inside, everybody's sleeping. Very quiet here at the world headquarters. Look at them all over there. 2 under the table and 1 on the chair. So no big wind. I imagine there's some flooding with all this water coming down. But I haven't been out to sea. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you again soon. Bye for now.